the way it was for these little screws right here on both sides. And I also removed the net. The next, I'm gonna have to take these out. There's one here, is one down here. So I'm gonna have to take these two off at the top as well to get the whole the seal out. Now that I got the cover off, so I got to take out all 19 of these screws here in order to get to the intake. I kind of cracked this last time I was in here when I was putting the intake. When the cat's on, I stepped on here and I cracked this little piece. But it is what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and take these screws out so we can get to the cold air intake, so we can get to the filters. All right, I've taken all the screws out. I should be able to just lift this off and gain access to the intake. It's a carbon fiber AFV cold air intake. So one thing I got to do is take these screws here off. Take this, lift these off. Take these off, and I should be able to clean it out. So it's really not that dirty. I just had an error on my app. Since they need to be clean. It may be the I don't know. They look pretty clean, but I'm gonna take them off and clean them anyway. So I'm gonna spray them down with the cleaner and let it sit for about 10 minutes. The cleaner pretty good, so I'm just letting it sit for about 10 minutes. Then I will rinse them down. Then I will put the oil on. Time for the rinse from the inside out. Like I said, they're really not that dirty, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Make sure it's clean. Good. Like I said, I'm not gonna bore you with all of this, and I'm gonna do the other one as well and take them outside, shake them off, and let them dry out. You make sure you do it on the inside, not the outside. That way you can get all the dirt and grease and stuff off. Like I said, these were not that dirty. But like I say, I'm gonna take the cost and clean them anyway. All right, just start rinsing them off, so I'm gonna shake them off and let them air dry outside. Then I'm gonna spray the oil on top of them. They look pretty good. Like I said, they wasn't really that dirty. Now that they dried, I'm gonna spray it down now with the oil. Then I'm gonna spray the other one. So I'm gonna let them sit about 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna wipe some of the excess oil off. Then I'm gonna replace them into the car. So back on, ready to get closed up. Here we go. Install. Ready to close this bad boy up. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, it is back intact. Put back together, sealed up. Looking good. All the screws, all the attachments, the rug, everything is done. Now, let's start this bad boy. Let's start it up and see what happens. Let me do my remote start and see here. See what we got.